Yeah, so today we are going to discuss about the Jira. So first thing, how we are going to start with it. Uh, so the first thing is we have to learn the planning. Then after that, we'll need to learn the coding. After that, analysis of the code, and after that, we need to do the build. And after that, we need to do the unit testing. After that, we need to do packaging, and after that, we need to archive. Okay, after that, we need to deploy to QA and testing and all stuff like that. So, can you please tell me which are the topics which we have covered as part of this batch? I'm just trying to put it in a context, all of you.
Rajesh, I think we have done Jira, means apart from Confluence.
Conference also done.
No, only Jira done.
Mhm.
Not sure, I don't remember attending the Jira session or neither seeing a recording too. So,
Hmm.
Okay, it was
Yeah.
done on 27th November. I put it here.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
All right.
right.
anyway,
So because we had a long holiday, so even I
yeah.
forgot.
Hmm.
Just confirm me, guys, which other tools we've
We
done.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so today, sorry about the recordings, previous recordings. We're going to talk about the Packer. Okay, so first thing, which is Packer, and should I cover the Artifactory also today? No, let's not rush, others content will be compromised. So Packer is the tool which I'm going to teach you. So uh, again, let's connect the dots. It's important. So planning again. After that, coding. After that, scanning the code. After that, building the code. After that, unit testing the code. After that, packaging the code. After that, archiving the code. After that, deploying to QA environment. This is the flow where I'll not go more because one by one. So planning, I think we might have covered Jira and Confluence. If not, I will check later. Coding, Git, scanning, Sonar Cube. Uh, After that, building Maven, Gradle, and all tools like that. Unity testing you can do through the Maven using Maven, but JUnit is being used. Packing, which I'm going to talk about the Packer in this here Packer, but Packer is one of the tools. There are so many tools available in the market for the packing purpose. So that's there. And after that, I'll teach you here Artifactory. Artifactory is covered, no, right?
no.
Yeah. So this is the tool which I'm going to cover now. Packing. So now you understand that where the packers is in this SDLC cycle. So now guys, packaging is a very vast domain actually. We think we take it very lightly, but I have worked for 1.5 years as an install engineer in one of my organization, previous organization, and I know that the how much work you have actually. So here I'm giving you that a high level information, okay, at a high level packaging world. Okay, so packaging, first of all, there is a two kind of packaging we can put it up: system level packaging and app level packaging. Okay, now with the growing use of cloud and all, you can say cloud level packaging is also nowadays it has come. Okay, so this is something which we can do. So when I say system level means what? Creating a package for system means operating system. Okay, so for example, if you are using Windows, then you want to create a exe or some of you MSI. If you are using let's say RHEL, RPM, CentOS and all, then RPM, sorry about that, RPM you're using. If you're using Ubuntu, then Debian package. If you're using Mac, of course, some of you must be having Mac now. So which package you guys are using for Mac? Anyone? Anyone? DMG package, no? Correct. So this is a system-based packaging. How do we create it? That's a different topic altogether. For each for each types, there is a different tools are available. For example, install anywhere. I don't know whether you have heard about it now. Install anywhere, install shield, YG installer, Visual Studio also create a packages, exe and msi, RPM builder, Debian build, DMG packages also have a different tools. So these are the system based packaging. You want to create it. See, you write a software. Okay, you validate the software. No one is going to take 10 thousands of files. Of course, you need to give the packages first, and you have to create it. Make sense, guys, all of you?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Now, app-based packaging means what? I think you know that this app-based packaging means like a smallest format is zip file. You know that. Tarball. You know that. Jar file. You know that. WAR file. You know that. DLLs is also app-based packaging. Okay. So these are the app-based packaging. That means as per the app, as to package the applications, you want to use this. And more or less you understand that zip you can create through the WinZip or zip utility, tar utility, jar utility. Maven also has a jar utility, war utility. Maven also has a war utility, DLLs and all. Okay. Now with a growing trend in a growing use of cloud-based uh, things, we have a cloud-based packaging also. Cloud-based packaging also helps you till limited with limited way to create a system-based packaging also. Cloud-based packaging means you want to create a packages for AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and so on. So in that case, when it's a packages means AWS packaging means what I'm talking about. Anyone have idea what packaging? Anyone?
Like a TF file with Terraform, is it?
Mhm. Cloud-based packaging means AMIs. Everything is in AMI, right? Amazon machine image, virtual VM image. Correct now? So you have to create that packages. That's also package. That's also kind of packages. Correct now? So here, this session primarily is focused on this part. Here, Packer will help you. This is the Packer. Understood that what we are trying to cover? So we want to create a package for AWS, AMI's package, Azure package, GC package, Google Cloud. Okay, so this is a tool which I'm going to cover. So what is Packer? So Packer means packing, a tool which will create a package. Oh, that's Packer. So now Packer would create image. Now then you'll ask me what image. So you tell me what image it will create. You tell me, all of you. So AMI image. Vagrant. Anyone have used any images? Vagrant image. All of you. Anyone have a memory? Vagrant image?
Uh, I think we have used for the Docker one, right? Docker.
No, no. Boxes.
Oh,
Vagrant
boxes.
boxes. Yeah. Please remember
Yeah,
that
back.
all this. Yeah.
Mm.
Docker image. Yeah. Yes. You gave the Docker image also. VM image. VM image. So any kind of image you can create using Packer. Okay. Now can we have a list of image which you can create? So we call it a builder. So just type HashiCorp Packer builder. I don't know whether we have that dedicated page for it. Hi, this is the one, and community supported. See here. So this, yeah, last time also I remember I was searching for it, I could not find out. So there's no one page for it, but you have to search for here. You see, okay. So they should create one page for it. No problem. I'll show you my slides. It will be easy for me also. So which are the support? Look at this here. These are again, I have not modified the slides from last 6-7 months. So few more will be added. I have to check that. So some of the things which I have taught you, for example, Docker I taught you, AWS I taught you, Vagrant I taught you, right? So you can create a image from using Packer. Okay, simple. So now this is a tool which will create a packages. Automated way it will create a packages. Now this is from the tool which is from the called HashiCorp. Okay, HashiCorp is the company. From HashiCorp, almost all the tools I have added as part of this course. If you look at this, I've added Vagrant, Terraform, Packer, Consul, many tools we have added as part of this. And this tool is written in Golang. Okay, so this is a programming language which has been used. Now if you want to customize, you want to add something your own, then Golang is the language to go in easy way to implement in the Packer. Okay, now this again you have a community version and it's a free tool actually, so that is you can enjoy this. Okay, so now we understand that what is Packer and why do we need it. Okay, now so we need to understand what to do, how do we get started. So look at this slide here. So here we need to write a one file. Okay, when you want to create an image, you have to create one file. The file name can be anything you want to put it in JSON format or TF format, is up to you. Okay, I'll show you the demo. And in the file primarily you have a three sections. Okay, one section we call it a build, second section we call it a provision, and third section we call it a post processors. Okay, so build means which builder you want to create. Which builder means selecting the builder means you want to create a Docker image or Vagrant image or EC2 image or Azure image, so that is a builder. And in that image, provision means provisioner. If provisioner means something you want to modify that image. Okay, some custom image you want to modify means you want to start some process, enable process services, copy some files, delete some files, some sort of configuration management, environment creation. So to run any applications, whatever is required you do in the provisioning. And after that, once the image is ready, post processors will upload that image to some place which you want to. For example, sometime you want to create a package in coding or encrypt the package, or you want to upload to some artifactory or Nexus or some custom work, or you want to deploy, you want to trigger. Post processors also can trigger some script, for example Terraform script or some API operations. So you can do that. So everything you write in this file and then run the command and go ahead with it. Very simple. Okay, so look at this here. This is your file, some variables on top of it, and here your builder. Which builder I have used here? So it's a AWS builder. This means AMI image you will create it. Okay, and this variable you defined, and this is the command you run. Look at this here. Which command you have run? Can you tell me which command?
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.